mobile recording. With this kit you will be able to record on the different events, and for this we are providing you with a kit that will help you and perform all the duties on the go. So this kit is conformed by three parts. In this black box first that you see here, if we open it like so, you're gonna see some of the components. The main component for this whole kit, it will be the video stabilizer, which we can see in this part. Now here in this zipper, if we open the zipper, you're gonna see another big part of the component, which is the LED light, which will help you in occasions when it's dark or you need more light. If you have a clear day, don't bother with this part, since it will only be useful when it's dark or needed. Then next to it you will see this metal arm. This metal arm is also part of the stabilizer, so you can either way attach your light or your microphone. This will be completely up to you and as you see fit. Also in here we are leaving some of the paperwork for all the different equipment. If you have any questions or any or want to know any more information about how this equipment works, you can go to this paperwork. Now, let's open this second bag. If we open this bag, in the first compartment, you're gonna see first this metal arm. This metal arm is just like the previous arm. It will also help you to attach either way a microphone or a light, and you can use it as your discretion. In here we see also this part, which is also for the first metal arm, and you can also use it as you see fit. Also here we have the charger and the battery. This one you will be using it for the light. This one will be attached to the back part of the light, and you can use it with this equipment. If we open here this lid, you will see that first you have this bag which contains filters for your light. This will help you if you want to add some effect or to also to balance the white balance and the colors of the places where you're recording, so your light doesn't stand out that much. And here we are giving you the telephone which you will be using for this recording. The telephone already has inside an SD memory card with 256 gigabytes, which will be more than enough for you to record all of the things you need in 4K or high definition. If we open the second compartment of this bag, you will notice that on this part of the bag, in this zipper, you can find the telephone charger. You can find a pair of headphones, which you can use when you're recording. You will find the cable for charging. You will find some tips for your headphones. You will also find an adapter from USB-C, which will connect to your phone, to normal USB, to a standard USB entrance. So you can attach a memory USB card or an external hard drive, and you can read files from it from your phone. Also, we are including an adapter from USB-C to micro USB. In case you don't have your standard cable around, you can borrow an old cable and use this to adapt it, and you can charge your phone. Also in this part, we are adding an SD card, a micro SD card adapter. So if you have a reader, you can import or export files using this SD card reader. Now, and lastly, in this section, we are adding a SIM peak remover. This one will be useful to remove the SIM tray, and then you can add a new SIM or remove the old SIM card. Lastly, if we open this zipper here, you're gonna find 3 small bags. And you're gonna notice that one says Type-C, another one that says iPhone, another one that says micro USB. This cable will assist you if you want to recharge your phone while you're filming, and we will show you how to connect that in a moment. The one that you're gonna use with this phone that we're providing you is Type-C, which you will find at the very top of your kit. Now, if we move to the last item here, you're gonna see that this is a microphone. Now, if we take it out of the box, like so, you will find that the microphone has 2 parts. One is the cable, which you will use to attach this to your phone, and then this part, which you will use to point to the part where you decide to receive the audio. And we will show you how to mount it in some minutes. Of course, as always, there is some paperwork. We will actually include this in the rest of